Japan continued to be pounded by a blizzard wreaking havoc on Thursday night. Part of northern and central Honshu saw record snowfall of up to 205 centimeters of the white stuff, while other areas recorded wind speeds of up to 31 meters per second. Thursday proved to be a deadly day after 8 people were reported killed and weather-related deaths, raising the total number of fatalities to 11, this according to local reports. Japan's weather agency had advised residents against venturing outdoors as the snowstorm shuttered schools and public transportation and grounded hundreds of flights.